I'm Courtney, I'm a social care apprentice. I've been the primary caregiver of my grandmother the past 2 years, and seeing the impact I have just by being supportive and encouraging and being someone who can be relied on to be there is what inspired me to come onto this apprenticeship scheme, so I can meet other people and have an impact in the same way, really. So the apprenticeship scheme is over the course of 2 years. There's six-month placements, so I'll be going to 4 different places. This is my first placement now, and by the end we should have achieved a level 2 qualification, which could also lead on to a level 3. That's what I hope to do. So you can get your experience in varying places and meet new people, understand the work ethic that's required, and also the things that are expected of you, but also the ways you can better yourself. I don't think there's anything better really than like seeing your impact on other people, but also their impact on you. A lot of my happiness has come from seeing the individuals that I work with bonding with me, getting that level of comfort with them, and like knowing that what you're doing is the right thing, and also they feel like that is as well. My colleagues, I would say, have definitely inspired me in more ways than one. Everyone has something to offer, everyone has something different to bring, everyone's taught me something different. Every shift I'm on, there's someone who I can rely on to uplift me and like my quality of work that I provide. It's been a really good experience for my first 6 months. I'm going to be a bit gutted when I leave, I think. If you're on the fence about whether you have the ability or the potential, or if you have what it takes, adapting to environments is the best way to understand your potential with an apprenticeship scheme. That gives you the chance to grow and progress and gain experience that you won't necessarily through qualifications. Social care is you're not just coming to work and like looking after someone and going home. It goes a lot deeper than that. You're part of people's lives, they're part of your lives, and you are making a difference. So rewarding. Every day you find new things that you enjoy knowing and learning. I think this is the type of career where if you are empathetic and compassionate and you like to see other people do well, you definitely would excel. With a job like this, it is really uplifting, I think, to be involved in a place where you know you're going to provide support for other people, but in a way they support you as well. It's like a family. I think we're all a big family here. I wouldn't change it.